Come to the next page. Danish Nasiruddin Pirzada leaped out of his chair and screamed. Underline leaped. It means to jump out of his chair and screamed. He pointed at the man in the mirror and then turned to Mr. Sami, who was hurrying towards him. Why did he point it at the man in the mirror? Can you see in the picture? Because this man was entirely a changed look than the actual one. And who was the actual one? Who was having long bearded face and long hairs. What have you done? Cried Danish Nasiruddin Pirzada. Where is it? I asked you to trim my beard, not to shave it off. He was actually more surprised to see that Mr. Sami totally shaved his beard out. Instead, he wanted it to be just trimmed. Beard shaving, replied Mr. Sami, using a rare two-word sentence again and nodding his head from side to side. Okay. There is nothing okay about it, cried Danish Nasiruddin Pirzada, stroking his smooth chin. Why did he say that there is nothing okay about it? Because Mr. Sami cannot help him out anymore. He had shaved his face. What can he do now? Okay, a long argument followed. Danish Nasiruddin Pirzada insisted on paying less because Mr. Sami had not followed instructions. Whereas he complained that he had come into this salon as Danish Nasiruddin Pirzada and was leaving as somebody else. And Mr. Sami wanted more money because far more hair had been removed from the customer's head. You see how funny the situation is, that Danish Nasiruddin Pirzada is insisting for paying less because he thinks that Mr. Sami had not followed the instructions. Whereas on the other hand, Mr. Sami is insisting for paying more because he thought that they have removed more hairs from the customer's head. Do you think both are right? Both of them are wrong because they have to pay what according to the normal rules, what average people used to pay. Finally, after a long debate, a very unhappy Danish Nasiruddin Pirzada left the salon. He forgot all about his vegetables and headed towards the bus stand. He mumbled, grumbled and cursed all the way there. Underline the word mumbled and grumbled. Mumbled means to utter words in low voice and grumble means to complain quietly. Sometimes it happens that we are unhappy about something and we cannot say something loud. Then we are mumbling and grumbling in our mouth and cursed all the way. Danish Nasiruddin Pirzada joined the queue and waited for his bus. Then an old lady who was also waiting for the bus turned to him and spoke. Young man, said the old lady pleasantly, I left my watch at home. Would you kindly tell me the time? Certainly, said Danish Nasiruddin Pirzada with a smile. It's time to celebrate. You see what he answered? Instead of answering and letting her know the time, he said, it's time to celebrate. Why did he say so? Because he was happy for the woman. She called him young man. The old lady gave Danish Nasiruddin Pirzada a very odd look, but he didn't care. Why she gave her odd look? Because of his response. Young man, he repeated to himself as he left the queue and trotted home, still smiling. So, trotted means to run at a slow pace. So which thing or which words are making him amused? Young man. The woman, the way she called him young man. Students, this is all about the story. We have enjoyed a lot the incidences that happened in the story, especially the time when He was lying on the bench and he almost slept there. And people were assuming that he was a beggar. People were taking him as a tramp and giving him money. It was an enjoyable incident. And the incidents that happened inside the salon, they were also very enjoyable. In fact, we have enjoyed a lot the story. But what we learned at the end of the story, we learned that praise and admiration always attracts us. We got impressed a lot. We want others to have good opinion about us. You see that Danish was a carefree person about his outlooks, his dressings, and everything. But when people took him as beggar, he instantly rushed into the barber shop and get rid of his bad looks. And students, at the same time, at the last of the story, when the lady called him young man, he enjoyed the moment a lot. It means we enjoy good addressings also. So this is all about the story. Hope you have enjoyed and understood the lesson.